streamer Abigail Gout, yeah.
Anong lupa?
I think Abigail's Remember Me Gout. To those players also in the guild, focus on your titles first. Yeah. Again, prepare guys. Use your food buffs. Okay. Focus on capturing the tablets first. Guys, focus on capturing the tablets first. Okay? Focus, focus. Focus on capturing the tablets. Okay? Oh, there. Here they are. Here they are. So many. Okay? Guys, don't fight. Don't fight. Okay? Don't fight. Just go inside the tablets first. Okay? Don't fight. Don't fight. Okay? Stay inside the tablet. I will announce if you're gonna fight. Okay? Their lowest are 3-star red title. Okay. Fight inside the tablet. Fight inside the tablet. Fight, fight, fight. Go, 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 go. Nice, nice. Fight inside the tablet. Nice, nice. Doing good. And to all FS, make your holy something to 100. So worst case scenario, you will use the golden tree. Okay? Okay, okay. Thank you, Ferry, for reporting. Nice, guys. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice.
I just spam tank
Nice. Yeah, spam sang.
in Guardian in server. Joke guys.
Okay, okay. Go back inside the tablet. We're being greedy, guys. We're being greedy. Go back,
Don't
go back, go back, go back.
oh.
Okay, go back, go back. They're pushing. Go back, go back. Okay, for sub, 17 minutes. The mobs will spawn, okay?
Uy, shield card tang ina mo.
Uy!
Ay no,
Ano yun?
someone
Someone what?
posting in cross server. Shield card.
Yeah, I thought also it was real. What the fuck? I click it many times. Okay, focus, focus, focus. Okay, as for Sushi, 17 minutes. Move to 4 corners of the positions. Left, right, upper left, lower right, and yeah, upper and lower left and upper and lower right. Okay. Yeah, that's first sub. Yeah, 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 yeah. Nice. Wait, what's that skill? Like, we always get half. See? What's that skill? Nice, we're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing good. For sub party, don't stay at their spawn areas. Okay, for sub parties, don't stay at their spawn areas. Okay? Nice, nice. Any clear. Nice, Ike. Nice, nice. Guys, we're facing the cross server, okay? It's cross server now. Okay? What? What happened to Fuji? ROO dead game.
Murahin ko nga yun.
Loko, pagil natin yan. Sa Akeros. Murahin ka daw.
Hindi ah. Wala, eto si ano, Noodles.
Okay, okay, guys. Elite parties, elite parties. Okay, listen. Okay? Team 2, go upper left. Okay, Team 2, go upper left. Then Team 6, go upper right. Only Team 2, since Serval is in the middle. Team 2, go upper left. Then Team 6, go upper right. Because Serval is in the middle. So we can respawn. Okay? Only Team 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6. Go out for a while. Go out, go out. Help the Team 2 to go to their position. Okay, move back, move back. Go inside the tablet again. Okay, nice, nice. Okay. Good, good, good. Yeah, we will escort the Team 2 because they're VIPs. Yeah? Okay, okay. We're doing good, guys. We're doing good. Just PvP inside the tablets. Okay, PvP inside the tablet. Okay. Wait, OB? 15 minutes? Huh? It's 10 and less. It's 10 minutes. OB 10 minutes. Yeah. Ah, there is. Really? There is now? Oh, okay, I see. Okay, 15 mark. Okay, okay. So up, left, right, then lower. I see, I see, I see. Okay, okay. I see, I see. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's my fault. I don't know, I don't know. Because before there's no mini in the lower. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, Endless, for telling me. Because I really don't know. There's a mini OB in the lower part. Omega, can you screenshot the people who stay at the enemy spawn? Yeah, screenshot them. Okay, okay. Sub parties. I will special mention them. Okay, wait. So who's this? Wait, so small. I only see Cadmus, Sir Pao, Zepa. Okay. Guys. Okay. Yeah, Zephyr is in sub. Yeah. I removed Zephyr, I think, Saturday because I want to like and put Barry's team. Yeah. Oh, they're ties. Nice. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Wait for 10 minutes. Wait. We still have uh 15 seconds to move. Okay. Just wait guys, okay, wait. Okay, wait. Wait. Okay, wait. Wait. Go now guys. All teams, go to Baron, all teams. Leave all the tablets. Leave all the tablets. Now. Now. All teams. Yeah, I can summon the players. Okay, nice. Yeah, they remove it, Pixa. Yeah. Nice one. So, yeah. Mami Poco has 5 deaths, but it's fine. We still win. But next time, lessen the deaths, okay? Sabas 0 deaths, really? Wait, I'll check. I think next GL we will face Capybara. Okay? Next GL. Luchan PM. Okay. Okay, check ko yung ano, check I'll check the stats, standing.